You thought. Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table. If you didn't check out the last video, it was of the spy camera lighter. Pretty decent product. It's not bad. You definitely want to check out that video. Now today we're going to take a little break from product reviews and we're going to do a little how-to video on how to change a brake light in your car. Now of course this is going to be different for different cars, different makes and models, but we're going to show you how to do it on my car because mine recently went out. So let's get started. Yeah, welcome to Florida, guys, where it can be 100 degrees outside and raining, but have perfectly clear skies. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright guys, so we're at my car here. I've got a Sylvania brake light here. You can see I got it at the local auto parts store. I know it's not like budget friendly or anything, but they're really not that expensive. It was only a couple bucks for a pack of two. I've already used one on the other brake light a while ago, so we're going to change this one out. So let's get started. Alright guys, first thing you're going to want to do is open up your trunk. And you're going to see most brake lights are installed with some screws that you can get to from the trunk. So once that's open, you'll be able to expose those screws. Now I do have a little tail light guard on there as well, which I have screwed on. So that's going to have to come off with the tail light. But we'll get that off and we'll get to the inside of this thing. In my particular case, guys, it's just basic Phillips head screws. So I just grabbed a little Phillips head screwdriver. So we're going to take this thing off. You see the tail light guard came right off. Alright, perfect. Don't be scared to pry it off if you need to, but definitely make sure you check that you've unscrewed everything properly. Alright, it should be a matter of just twisting that thing off. And this light should just come right out. Just pops right into place. Then we'll throw our new one in, which should just clip right in. Boom. Once it snaps into place, you know you're good. You kind of want to keep your hands off the bulb as much as you can to keep from premature wear. And then we'll go ahead and screw this thing back in. Alright, once that pops back into place, you're just going to grab your tail light. You're just going to pop it back on. Alright, once you pop it back on, if you do have a tail light guard, go ahead and line that back up. You're basically now at this point just going to screw everything back in place. Double check to make sure everything's secure. You can see that's still kind of loose. Everything's in place. The bulb has been changed. You can see the gap in the filament right there. That's probably preventing the proper current, keeping that light from turning on. So this has definitely got to be the problem. Alright, so you can see now that the brake light is working. Everything worked out perfectly. If you're not able to get somebody to help you out to tell if your brake light is dead, you can just set up a camera, set up your phone, so that way you just record it, go back, tap on the brake, and see if the light works. Then go and look at your footage to see if the brake light is actually dead or if it's working again. And in our case, it is working again, which is perfect. So we are all set. Everything's in place. It's just a matter of unscrewing and unclipping that tail light, popping out the old bulb, putting in the new one, and you're all set. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little how-to video on how to change your brake light. Real simple, anyone can do it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video I did, it's up there. And if you want to check out the how-to playlist, it's up there. Have a great day everybody, and as always, don't get shot.